Hello there, just got done watching the Netflix series Baby Reindeer from 2024. It's a drama, it's TV mature, and most of the episodes are around a half an hour. One episode is like 45 minutes, and there are 7, is that right, 7?
Yes, 7 episodes.
7 episodes in total. The premise is, struggling comedian and barman Donnie meets a lonely woman claiming to be a lawyer. He offers her a cup of tea on the house, and she is instantly obsessed. Whew! What a series. Holy moly.
Yeah,
what a ride. We watched all 7 episodes today.
Yeah.
Because it was... I mean, it truly is the kind of thing you really kind of want to binge watch because you want to know what is going to happen next.
Yeah, they do. They make a mistake by releasing them all at the same time.
What a journey, though. Like,
yeah.
There are so many well-developed characters in this series that, like...
They did an amazing job.
They really did. They did a great job with the story. They did a great job with casting. The performers were all amazing. Every single one of them was incredible. Yeah, I would highly recommend this. If you like drama, of course. If you don't like drama, please don't even go there because it probably won't be what you're looking for. There is language, there is nudity, there is sex, there is sexual violence, there is substance abuse.
Everything.
Yeah, it's kind of got a little peppering of all kinds of things in there. But yeah, I felt like the tempo of the episodes all kept about the same tempo. There weren't any like really slow or draggy parts.
No, they did a great job with that.
It certainly is the kind of thing where in one moment you might like a character and, you know, feel empathy for them, and the next moment you're like, oh my god, no. Yeah, and it's a real roller coaster ride, I tell you. I definitely would recommend it. I'll see if I can find a trailer. If I can, I'll link it below. If you have seen Baby Reindeer, what'd you think of it? Try not to put any spoilers in your comments. But, because we don't want to ruin it for anyone who hasn't seen it yet. But let me know what you thought of it, if you liked it or not, if you'd recommend it to others. I would highly recommend this. I feel like it's well worth the watch. Super intense.
Oh, yeah.
yeah, I would say. Now, it's not one that I'd watch again because it is too intense to watch twice.
It's a one-time and done.
But one through is good for me. I feel like we got the gist of everything. Yeah. So, this is, I would give this a 4 out of 5, easy.
Oh yeah, solid 4.
Series. Netflix really does hit it out of the park.
Oh yeah, they do.
They really do put out some good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.